Alright, so we're at this point now. Hey y'all, it's me. So today we're going to be doing a little like cooking video, but it's not gonna be like professional or nothing like that. I was gonna do like a fashion video. Am I out of focus? I was gonna do like, I had a booger. I was gonna do like a fashion video, but I don't have the clothes I needed for it, so I decided to just show you guys what I'm making. Now I tend to experiment in the kitchen. Sometimes it's a hit. Ooh, girl. If that doesn't foreshadow this, I don't know what will. Sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's just all right. Rarely it's a miss, but sometimes it can be. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I don't even know really what I'm making. I was gonna make like a chicken Alfredo. Actually, I was gonna make a pad thai, and then somebody's knocking on my door. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a like time lapse with music over it because some family just came over, and so yeah. So these are the noodles I'm using. Doesn't say how to cook them, but we're just gonna wing it. And then for the chicken, I'm using this seasoning with rotisserie chicken seasoning, maybe a little bit of Sauvignon Blanc, who knows, some lemon pepper, and then I'm gonna try out this seasoning. Don't know what it tastes like. Like I said, we're gonna wing it. So yeah, let me get my chicken, and then I'm gonna marinate that until the noodles are done. Oh, and this too. It's not gonna focus, but it's a cilantro, lime, pepper, salt. We're gonna use that. And we'll be back when the chicken's in the bowl. Alright, so we're at this point now. That little yellow thing is a little bit of chicken bouillon something. I'm going to add the rest of this. There's not that much. Mature, extra mature white cheddar. I'm going to be using this sauce. Girl, if you don't... Okay, I'm using that. I'm going to add sweet peas into it. I also have some of this and my noodles, so I'm going to put all that together in here. Okay, so this is the final thing. My bop, yeah, you know. Ooh, this is the final. Yes, I'm using a plastic fork. It tastes good. Not too salty. So yeah.
Sorry.
Huh? Oh, you're fine. Got the chicken, got the noodles. Yeah. Ooh, that is zoomed in. Ooh. So yeah, it's the end of the night. Well, it's not. It's like not 8:30. But it's the end of this video. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I was making for dinner. It tasted pretty good, but that brand of noodle is not the best. It's not bad, but it's not the best. I like the Rosoni. I'll put like a picture right here of the one that I like. Usually when it comes to gluten-free noodles, I feel like the ones with cauliflower in them taste the best. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off. And I might just hop in the shower altogether just because I want to use my body scrubs. So I might go ahead and do that. But yeah, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video.